Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tools. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can reblog someone post or status. Okay, it's like a blog. Reblog it means like a retweet. Okay, so it's similar to retweet. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So we need to click Mastodon social app and choose a okay choose. I'm just gonna choose like this one. So um, he wrote something. It's decided to look at network states again. There are 1 million more people using Mastodon today, so it's going popular day by day. So how can you reblog this? Okay, so he just posted, and if you want to reblog this, so you have to click here, this one. Just simply click on this, and yeah, it's really simple, and it will reblog. Okay, so just go to your profile if you want to check this, and here you can see the Ragiv reblog this, so it will be appeared in your timeline. Okay friend, today is no more. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.